A taste of Rwanda, where freshness reigns. Rwanda, a land of 1,000 hills, is also a land of vibrant flavors. The country's rich soil and favorable climate make it a haven for agriculture, producing a bounty of fresh produce that forms the backbone of its cuisine. Rwandan cuisine is a celebration of fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Every meal tells a story of the land and the people who cultivate it with care and dedication. Small-scale farming is a way of life. Families work together on their plots, ensuring that the produce is as fresh as possible when it reaches the market. This means fresh fruits and vegetables are abundant. Markets overflow with vibrant colors and enticing aromas, offering a feast for the senses. From the rolling hills to the bustling markets, the essence of Rwanda is captured in every bite. The landscape itself seems to infuse the food with a unique character. Rwandan food is simple yet flavorful. It's a cuisine that respects the natural tastes of its ingredients, allowing them to shine. It relies on the natural tastes of its ingredients. Freshness is key, and every dish is a testament to the quality of the produce. Starches like matoke, or plantain, and cassava form the base of many dishes. These staples are versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways to create hearty, satisfying meals. These are complemented by an array of vegetables, beans, and legumes. Each ingredient adds its own unique flavor and texture, contributing to the overall harmony of the dish. Meat is less common, especially in rural areas. Instead, the focus is on plant-based ingredients, which are both nutritious and delicious. This makes Rwandan cuisine naturally suited to vegan diets. The emphasis on fresh, wholesome ingredients ensures that every meal is both healthy and flavorful. The heart of Rwandan cooking lies in its ability to transform humble ingredients into culinary delights. Through skillful preparation and a deep understanding of flavors, simple foods are elevated to new heights. Spices are used sparingly, allowing the freshness of the produce to shine through. This minimalist approach highlights the natural goodness of the ingredients. A touch of chili or herbs like cilantro may be added for depth. These subtle additions enhance the flavors without overpowering them. But the true magic comes from the skillful combination of flavors and textures. Each dish is a harmonious blend that reflects the rich culinary heritage of Rwanda. AGATOGO, a vegan delight. Among the many gems of Rwandan cuisine, AGATOGO holds a special place. This dish is not just a meal, it's a cultural experience that brings people together. This hearty stew embodies the essence of Rwandan cooking, simple, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. Each ingredient is carefully chosen to create a harmonious blend of flavors. AGATOGO is a true celebration of plant-based goodness. It's a dish that showcases the natural flavors of fresh, local produce. It's a dish that nourishes both body and soul. Sharing AGATOGO with loved ones is a cherished tradition in many Rwandan households. The star of AGATOGO is the humble plantain. This versatile fruit is a staple in many African cuisines. Matoke, a type of green plantain, is the preferred choice. Its firm texture and mild flavor make it ideal for stews. It lends a unique flavor and texture to the stew. The plantains absorb the rich, savory sauce, becoming tender and delicious. The plantains are simmered in a rich tomato-based sauce. This sauce is often seasoned with a blend of spices that add depth and warmth to the dish. This creates a creamy and flavorful base for the dish. AGATOGO is naturally vegan, making it a healthy and ethical choice for everyone. This makes it a staple in many Rwandan households. It's a dish that brings comfort and joy to those who eat it. It's a dish that can be enjoyed by all, regardless of dietary preferences. Whether you're vegan or not, AGATOGO is sure to delight your taste buds. The beauty of AGATOGO lies in its simplicity. With just a few basic ingredients, you can create a meal that's both nutritious and delicious. It's a dish that can be easily adapted to suit individual tastes and preferences. Whether you like it spicy or mild, AGATOGO can be tailored to your liking. Crafting culinary magic, the AGATOGO method. This traditional dish is a testament to the art of slow cooking and the beauty of simple, fresh ingredients. Creating AGATOGO is a labor of love. Each step in the process is deliberate and thoughtful, ensuring that every ingredient is treated with care. It's a process that involves patience and attention to detail. The meticulous preparation is what sets AGATOGO apart from other dishes. But the end result is well worth the effort. The flavors are rich, the textures are perfect, and the presentation is simply stunning. The journey begins with the preparation of the ingredients. Fresh vegetables are carefully selected to ensure the highest quality. The onions and garlic are finely chopped. This step is crucial as it forms the base of the dish, providing a depth of flavor that is essential. The matoke is peeled and cut into chunks. This starchy ingredient is a staple in many African cuisines and adds a unique texture to the dish. Next, the magic begins to unfold. The cooking process is where the ingredients start to transform. The onions and garlic are sautéed in oil until fragrant. This releases their natural sweetness and forms the aromatic foundation of the dish. Then, the tomatoes are added and cooked down until they form a thick sauce. This step adds a rich, tangy flavor that balances the dish. The matoke is then added to the pot, along with water or vegetable broth. This helps to create a hearty and satisfying stew. The stew is then left to simmer gently until the matoke is tender and the flavors have melded together. This slow cooking allows the ingredients to fully develop their flavors. This slow cooking process is essential for developing the rich and complex flavors of AGATOGO. It's a method that requires time but rewards with depth and complexity. It's during this time that the kitchen fills with an irresistible aroma. The scent of the simmering stew is a tantalizing promise of the delicious meal to come. It's a tantalizing prelude to the culinary delight that awaits. The final dish is a celebration of flavors, textures, and the joy of cooking. A symphony of flavors, serving and savoring AGATOGO. AGATOGO is a dish best enjoyed in good company. It's a communal meal that brings people together. The steaming pot of AGATOGO is often the centerpiece of the table. It's a symbol of warmth, nourishment, and shared enjoyment. The stew is traditionally served hot. It's ladled into bowls or plates. The vibrant colors and textures of the dish are a feast for the eyes. The aroma is intoxicating, a symphony of savory and spicy notes. AGATOGO can be enjoyed on its own. It's a complete meal in itself, but it's also often accompanied by sides. Ugali, a stiff porridge made from maize flour, is a popular choice. It's used to scoop up the stew. Other accompaniments include rice, beans, or avocado. Section 5. Vegan versatility, adapting tradition. While traditional AGATOGO is inherently vegan, there are endless possibilities for variations and adaptations. Some cooks like to add other vegetables to their AGATOGO. Carrots, celery, bell peppers, and leafy greens are all delicious additions. For a richer flavor, some recipes call for the addition of peanut butter or crushed peanuts. This adds a creamy texture and a nutty depth to the stew. Spices like cumin, coriander, and ginger can also be used to enhance the flavors. The beauty of AGATOGO is that it can be easily adapted to suit individual tastes and preferences. Whether you prefer it mild or spicy, chunky or smooth, there's an AGATOGO recipe out there for you. It's a dish that invites creativity and experimentation. Section 6. Beyond AGATOGO, exploring Rwanda's vegan bounty. While AGATOGO is a shining star of Rwandan vegan cuisine, there are many other plant-based delights to discover. From hearty stews to flavorful rice dishes, Rwandan cuisine offers a diverse range of options for vegan eaters. Isambe, a dish made from cassava leaves, is a popular choice among locals and visitors alike. The leaves are ground into a paste and then cooked with onions, tomatoes, and often peanut butter. The result is a flavorful and nutritious stew that's packed with protein and essential nutrients. Another must-try dish is muvanje. This stew features a medley of starches, such as sweet potatoes, cassava, and arrowroot. Beans, peas, or lentils are often added for protein and extra flavor. Muvanje is a hearty and satisfying meal that's perfect for a cold day. Section 7. Rwandan cuisine, a celebration of nature's abundance. Rwandan cuisine is a testament to the resourcefulness and ingenuity of the Rwandan people. It's a cuisine that's deeply connected to the land. It celebrates the bounty of nature. From the freshest vegetables to the most flavorful beans and legumes, Rwandan food is a true reflection of the country's natural abundance. What makes Rwandan cuisine truly special is its ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. With minimal use of spices and seasonings, Rwandan cooks allow the natural flavors of the ingredients to shine through. It's a cuisine that's both humble and sophisticated, rustic, yet refined. Rwandan food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a way of bringing people together. Meals are a time for sharing, for connecting, for creating memories that will last a lifetime. Section 8. A culinary journey awaits. Exploring the world of vegan Rwandan cuisine is an adventure for the senses. It's a journey that will take you to the heart of Rwandan culture. It will introduce you to the warmth and hospitality of the Rwandan people. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or simply curious to try something new, Rwandan cuisine has something to offer everyone. So why not embark on a culinary adventure today? Discover the delights of AGATOGO. Explore the many other plant-based treasures that Rwanda has to offer. Your taste buds will thank you.